What up, everybody? This is Xander today, as Pro Waters, and today I'm actually putting my boat in the water for the first time. This is a 12-foot flat bottom sea nymph John boat. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in my little lake, drive it for the first time. Here's my whistle. Okay, good, it floats. I'm gonna take the camera. Yeah, it floats. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I don't know. I'm currently too shallow. Wait, crap. I'll have to grease that up. But yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, this is my first time on the lake. I don't move that fast, but it's a pretty good boat. I love it. I love my boat. This is just what I need. Well, it's not just what I need. I'm gonna upgrade it. I might actually run up and grab a fishing pole. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try to run this thing dead. It's only got about, it takes forever to charge the battery. It's running low. This might not actually be as fast as it can go. Honestly, one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me. I honestly believed, guys, that I would not be able to acquire a boat before the age of 20 or 18. But I'm serious, guys. This genuinely makes me really happy. This has been one of my goals. I've always wanted to get a boat, and I've always been able to find the right one. But this feels like my boat. I hope you guys liked the video today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please wait for, eventually, guys, I will be doing an upgrade video. Just give you guys what I'm gonna do. Take this, replace it all, put marine grade plywood right here. Force this all the way back to here. Take the seat out, move it back. Create a panel right here. I'm gonna do something similar to with the back. Gonna probably replace at least this seat. I might replace the back one. I don't know. That's all gonna be later on, and I'm also gonna repaint it. It's gonna be like an army green. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share, and keep on fishing.